Welcome everybody to a new episode from the favorite show, Samsung Got All the Updates. Let me show you something, guys. Step 1, open Galaxy Store. Step 2, click here the hamburger menu and then click Update. Boom! Voila! Samsung keep them coming. Group sharing, Samsung Checkout, Samsung Global Goals, Samsung Galaxy Friends, Private Share, Samsung TDS, but a very massive update to a lot of the Good Luck modules. New version of Keys Cafe, Bitmoji, one-hand operation, Nice Sketch, new version of the Routing Plus, Microsoft Office, and also a new version of Sound Assistant, which I'm going to install right now and walk you through. So Samsung really keep them coming. They don't stop. If you have been following my channel and you've seen the latest June AUF6 firmware released by Samsung for the S21 series, you know that they have released a new update, a new stable update every 11 days. So for 140 days they release something like 13 updates. Incredible job. Alright, now very briefly let's review all the new changes to the Good Luck modules, and then I'm going to install them and guide you through all the changes. So Keys Cafe, now you can set the preset colors and the key sounds in the tablet, that's quite nice. Of course also some bug fixes. One-hand operation, bug fixes and stability improvement, Nice Sketch, new feature, media volume muted history. Alright, since the One UI 3.1.1, that's nice. A new version also for the Routing Plus. By the way guys, if you missed my video on the Routing Plus or Routing Plus, check here. This is very powerful. They fixed the Routing Plus multi-condition settings, which is quite nice. So without any further ado, hitting here the update all button, and as we speak I'm gonna open Good Luck and also show you how you can see from within Good Luck that the modules being updated. So here you see this N every time. In the Samsung Ecosphere, you see an N in a red box. This means something is waiting, something new, and most of the time free, right? So new version of the Multistar, new version of the Routing Plus. If you go to Family, you can see here, new version of Nice Sketch, new version of the one-hand operation, and I need to install Sound Assistant. Now Sound Assistant, guys, had been really redesigned. They're right now at the version 4.1.0.02. They brought back the floating button, which I'm gonna show right now in some seconds, and you're right now able to do a full customization on the volume panel. Now let me just show you, this is the standard volume panel, guys. You get something like this, okay? Then you have here notifications, you have here all the system, you have all the ringtones, and you have all the media. And it is really something I do like. I do miss this in a lot of the other Android implementations, like in Xiaomi MIUI or the Oxygen OS, where you cannot really go and just do this mass selection, or you cannot go and just mute this and that, right? Here, you know, Samsung One UI, really very customizable. And the best thing, you don't need to have a lot of experience, you don't need to unlock the bootloader, root your phone, download some programs for your PC. It is everything just from here. Alright, so new volume panel customization, restoration of the floating button, fix the problem the concert hall doesn't work intermittently, and stabilize other operations. I mean, this sounds quite nice. Alright guys, I'm still updating some of the other modules, but the biggest update really this time is in Sound Assistant. So I'm eager to show you all the new things and the new theming. So let's open Sound Assistant. I am immediately drawn to the first menu saying Customize Volume Panel. Now we had this before, but it didn't really look like this. Change the up volume slider, floating button and more. And this we also could do in the previous version. So let's see what is new. Opening here. Alright, I'm going to give all the access. Oh, wow, okay. Customize volume panel. Off, of course, setting it to on. Wow. And see, by the way, the level of customization is really unprecedented compared to even the older versions. I'm eager to press custom. How to move the panel. Touch and drag the volume panel to move it up and down. What? What the hell? Jesus Christ, man. Oh, Samsung. They never stop to amuse me. Such a small thing, right? But you can see in real time. It is really incredible, guys, what Samsung can do. Again, those are not mind-blowing things, but they're far too many, right? You can do whatever you want with using One UI, and that's really incredible. So, okay, so apparently with moving the slide up and down, you can position whatever you want it. And you know what I'm thinking? Yes, one hand, one big hand like mine, still not able to cover when it's there. So I'm gonna bring it down below. One hand operation, made very easy. Why not? Now, layout we have here right. Okay, what happens if I click it? Okay, left. See? Aha, okay. You can apparently also move it up and down, and also move it left or right. So if you are a left-handed user, I bet you thank Samsung. So let's see if this works as well. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna put it back to right and also bring it down a bit. Let's see here, show volume level. What is this? Show the volume level at the top of the volume panel. Now, oh, okay, what? I never knew the maximum is not 100, it's 150. All right, so half. Okay, we can go 75 and then we can go down below to 0. So, you know what? This is not bad. I don't need this right now, but I just wanted to show you. So apparently you can now also display this information inside the volume rocker. And now guys, a lot of people were waiting. I'm not a big fan of the floating button, but some people are, and it's back. Clicking the floating button and boom, you have it there. And what can I tell you? This really looks a bit retro, but it can be also very handy. So the way it works, right, let me just show you guys. You are here on your desktop, right? And you can just click on the floating button and then boom, you can access your volume. So it's not possible for you to bring it in the center because this is actually dismissing it. So let's say you could put it there. And then guys, there is the other option. Let's say I put it there and I'll press the sync position, which means that it will only stay there. But you see, so right now if I click here, I'm gonna get access to my volume rocker, right? And if I try and hold the floating button, I'm not able to move it around. That's quite nice. If you're a fan of the floating button, it's back. But let's see here guys, this is only the standard panel. Check here, we have also customization for the expanded panel. Let me just show you guys. If I click the volume rocker and go on the three dots, I can see here I have an expanded panel, right? So right now, oh, the equalizer, alright, cool. This is quite nice guys, I do really enjoy that one. Equalizer setting, can go to back, and yeah, this is really incredible. I can click the three dots here and go also to my Bluetooth settings if apparently I connect some headphones and etc. Let's go to the expanded panel and see what we can do there. Bluetooth metronome. Guys, remember, I was one of the first guys to do a video about this. The Bluetooth metronome helps you compensate lag from your phone while connected to some Bluetooth headset. With the Bluetooth metronome, you can slow down the audio or make it go fast to compensate for the lag. So let's say you're watching some content on your phone with a Bluetooth headset connected. The idea is to have a perfect lip sync, right? So this is something you can do with the Bluetooth metronome. And right now you are able to display the Bluetooth metronome directly on the volume rocker. So click the three dots here, right? And you connect your Bluetooth device and you can speed it up or slow it down. And how amazing is this? So what happens when we turn off the toolbar function? Let's do this guys, let's open the volume rocker. We're gonna have a cleaner, more simplified look, which honestly I do like. But if you want to have all the options, click the toolbar function, and inside the volume rocker you'll have also the equalizer, the Bluetooth settings, everything on one page. This is pretty amazing. So let's remove this one for now. And then we have up volume. What is up volume guys? Let me try to open up volume. Let's try to put something, let's say on Spotify, right? So I'm gonna just open Spotify, play something there. Okay, you see, I can right now individually, guys, turn off the volume for this application, but still have my other volume settings within. Let's see if I can do this also for Mixcloud. Let's go here inside. Oh, wow. You can see I can turn it up, turn it off, do this for Spotify, do this for Mixcloud individually. So what a nice update for the sound assistant, guys. This is really incredible. This is why people love Samsung. They are able to bring in so many features and they're so easy to be used. Not to mention the individual up volumes, the controlling of the menu volume, and you have so many other options. But right now this was the new thing here, customization of volume panel. So I'm really glad that you stayed hopefully till the end of this video. Please guys, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos, guys. With that said, VST over and bye.